So I've already made a couple of games in a certain amount of time, but I realized I've never done 48 hours. Also, the Brackeys Game Jam 25.1 was also happening, which lets you create a game in about a week. Well, I decided to scrap it and do it in 29% of the time. Before I make the project, let me tell you the idea of this game. Basically, this game would be the ultimate Flash game, reusing assets from well-known Flash games. All the sprites were gotten from this website. Also, since the theme is nothing can go wrong, I'm going to be making a side scroller where nothing can go wrong, I guess. To sum it up, this was basically the entire brainstorming session. Anyways, let's get started. Firstly, I placed the character in the game and he has some basic animations, as you can see. Then I decided, how can I make a game where nothing can go wrong? So then I made this grapple system that basically saves the player up when the player falls into the void. And just like that, the first level is done. Before working on the other levels, I actually sketched out the plans for each and every level right here. So now it's time to work on the other two levels. As you can see, every main level of the game has been finished. After this, I realized the game was slightly bland, so I decided to make some music for the game, which actually isn't bad. Then I made some jumping effects with literal paper. But this is the secret I've been keeping since the start of the video. Basically, every enemy that's been in the game was fake, and the entire game was actually a dream. So that's why this sequence plays up, where it looks like you're about to wake up and later kill each enemy with this minigun looking thing. And there's also this cool flash prompt that shows up, which basically forces you to quit the game. Another thing I added in the game was this power-up coin, which was definitely needed, because before you could not make this jump at all. After that, I made the logo and set up the page for the game and submitted it to the jam. Honestly, this game isn't actually that bad, and it only takes a couple of minutes to beat, in fact, because literally nothing can go wrong except for your computer. Anyways, you can play this game with the link in the description. Subscribe, like, comment, and bye.